Have you ever gotten a soda and there's black specks in it? I'm gonna show you how to take care of that. Most of that buildup is coming from your ice machine, which is on top of your soda fountain. First, you have to take off your panel and make sure you shut it down. Let's turn that off. Most of the buildup happens inside your bin. An easy step before calling a beverage technician is to pour some ice machine cleaner in your distribution center so it can pump through and across your evaporator and get as much junk out of that as possible. If there's still some stubborn debris, you can get in there with a brush. After that, you're gonna wanna get rid of all the ice that's inside your soda fountain. And that way you can scrub on the inside of the ice. You're going to use that same solution and scrub the inside of this entire machine. Once you get your ice machine all cleaned up and your bin all clean, you're going to want to work on your chutes. Next step is turning your key off so the ice dispenser doesn't work while you're working on it. You want to make sure you clean the ice chute by getting a brush into your solution and cleaning up all on the inside of that. And then we want to check our fountain tube. So we just quarter turn, pull down, and clean up off all the nozzles right there. Okay? And then we're going to take this to the back and clean the inside. Once you're done with all those steps, you should be all clean. But if you're not, you can call Barranco. I'm Matt Barranco, and I'm a beverage bro.
I'm Mark, I'm a beverage bro. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now.